making lemon pasta. So I've got my water up to a boil, and I'm going to give it a nice spoonful of salt. And then add in my angel hair. This is what we're gonna have for lunch today here at our house.
Now you're zesting some lemon?
Zesting some lemon. I just put 4 tablespoons of butter into my skillet to melt down. And then I'm gonna do the zest of 4 lemons and the juice of 2 lemons.
Dang, that's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, this recipe I came up with a couple of years ago. It was Ryan's birthday. And out of nowhere, I'd never made lemon pasta before. And he said, I really want you to make some lemon pasta. And we were visiting his parents in Florida. And we had some good fresh shrimp. And we had some shrimp on the grill and this lemon pasta. And then it's become a family favorite.
That's one of those you won't be single for long recipes. Yeah.
I did it. I better have a baby that likes to eat. Now, my pasta's almost done. I'm going to take some water out of here.
Cooking water, good.
It's going to be part of our sauce.
Katie, have you guys decided on names yet, or are you guys battling?
We're making a list. We both are keeping names on our phones that we like, but it's hard picking a name. It's like this kid's going to have this the rest of their life.
I know.
All right, I'm going to add in my lemon juice to the butter.
Yum.
Yep, and I'm going to add in some of my pasta water.
Yum.
Bring this up to a boil. I'm going to get that lemon zest in there as well. There we go. It's all coming together. And as you know, the starch in the pasta water is going to help thicken this whole thing up.
Yeah, it's going to emulsify everybody. Get them on in there.
And I'm just going to take the pasta and throw it in. And of course, you can use any kind of pasta for this.
But I love that you use the thin spaghetti because I think it's so beautiful with a simple sauce like that, Katie. Yeah, that's what they're made for. Yes, that's what they're made for. And it's so quick cooking. It's less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's so simple.
Gorgeous.
And I'm going to add to it some cracked black pepper.
Yum.
Flavor. I love a cacio pepe. In some ways, that's what this is like.
It is. It really is.
And I'm going to add a little splash of cream as well.
Ooh, beautiful.
Yeah.
So sweet, balanced with a little bit of heat, balanced with the acidity of the lemon, and then the saltiness of the cheese. How beautiful.
Yeah, and if you don't have the cream, don't worry about it. Just leave it out.
Oh, everybody has half and half for cream, I think, for their
coffee.
For
you're thinking of coffee. All right, a little splash more of that pasta water, and it looks great. I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to add to it some freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
Yum.
All right, I'm going to plate this up.
Oh, Ryan's psyched. Ryan is so psyched for you to end this segment.
Oh, yeah. Right into it.